Hello everyone, this is my DIY assignment 3 assembly and disassembly, and I am using a facial hair removal machine which is nothing but like a trimmer. And now we'll check the working condition. You can listen the sound and vibration of this blade. It's working. Now let's disassemble it. This is a AA battery. This is a stainless steel blade with some sharp edges, beholded by two brass coated screws, and this is just a small plastic one, uh, and this is a DC motor which is connected to a small pin, and here there is a beautiful mechanism going on. When we switch on, the motor rotates by causing the pin to fluctuate like this, and also the underneath connection gives this white color pin containing circle which is holded like this to move in a circle, which makes to perform this small black one like the shadow of the circular motion, which is nothing but SHM, so that the other black pin connected to the steel blade's edge will move back and forth, which results in the motion of the blade to move front and back like this in very high speed due to the high speed revolution of the motor. And this is a DC motor which results in the motion of the blade. We'll check it again. If at all this would be here, then see, you can see the circular motion over here. Okay, now let's assemble it. So the sound and the vibration, so it's working again perfectly. Thank you.